Okay, thanks Wim for your kind introduction. This is Andy van der Dobbelsteen from Delft in the Netherlands. So it's past 2 o'clock in the afternoon here. Curious how late it is with most of our attendees at the moment. But to give you a brief introduction first before I do my keynote speech, I will get you through a little bit of introduction on W116 and also a bit of introduction to the energy storyline. First, CAB Working Commission 116 is, I think, one of the most popular working commissions within CIB. If you look at the papers, for instance, submitted to one of the conferences soon, the CIB World Building Conference, our goals are actually to promote research, application and education in the field of integrated development of smart and sustainable built environments. So it's a very broad, integrative topic that we cover. And of course we want to facilitate networking across the globe, dissemination of information and the technology transfer to businesses and industry. So the connection between academia and businesses is one of the main parts also. Our team consists of joint coordinators, Professor Jay Yang from QUT in Brisbane and myself. And we have a, say, hardcore team of regional coordinators. For instance, Vanessa Gomez, Ilke Aydegüzel, Jeremy Gibbett, Nori Yoko, and Frank Schultman, who are closely involved in all the activities and who basically consecutively organize events in their region. Now, the activities we have are, for instance, we have our own conference series, the SASB series. We just had one, a very nice one in Sao Paulo, Brazil. And the next one will be in the USA. I don't know the exact city yet, but Ilke Aydegüzel is going to organize that. Then there will be, that we also have sessions specifically focused on smart and sustainable built environments on the different CIB World Building Conferences and also Sustainable Building, which is also a CIB conference. And the next one will be next year in Brisbane in May. There were about 100 papers submitted in our theme, so there's enough to do for us for reviewing and also to present there. Important to know, so we have a journal of smart and sustainable built environments, which was founded and also edited by Professor Jay Yang. It has only started this year with the first edition in June, but it's already a very popular topic for journal papers. So if you're interested, there's a link over there, and I guess CIB will provide my presentation later on, so you can find that link. And then, of course, there's the CIB W116 Student Forum, which involves all types of students from university across the world, which within CIB is typical because most student chapters are related to countries or universities. In our case, we are international. That's why this webinar series is very practical for us also. And thinking about these future engineers and designers and planners, I think we have to look a little bit ahead to understand the energy problem. Oh, sorry, the wrong one. This future will hold many constraints that we didn't have in the past. So it's quite important to understand that we have to deal with climate change. So we have to be prepared for extreme weather events, scarcity of resources. So we have to use materials from the circular economy, and there's depletion of fossil fuels, which urges us to become independent from fossil fuels. So energy neutrality becomes a real goal.